Gatonomy is a UK company manufacturing a range of ultra-compact satellite communication systems for use in the Viasat Polaris network. Gatonomy's mission is to enable critical comms for autonomous, remotely piloted vehicles, such as the C2 Link, bringing one piece of the jigsaw puzzle to enable safe and scalable BB-loss operations. The Viasat Polaris network is L-band, so this is 200 kilobit per second up and down, and it gives from a geostationary global satellite network. The Gatonomy terminals are very low SOPC specifications, so this is our omnidirectional antenna, 210 grams. This is our Polaris Edge module at 230 grams. This contains the BGAN modem and a SOM processor, allowing us to do some edge processing or preload custom applications. One of our partners is Videosoft, with their class-leading video compression software offering real-time video streaming down to 1 kilobit per second. We launched Gatonomy as a brand at this show this time last year. In the last 12 months, we've engaged in a lot of flight trials, some iteration, and we made 2 announcements before coming here this week. One was we're now at the end of that process and we're taking orders for production variants of the terminals, starting in October this year. And the second is to target the surveillance and inspection market and make things easy to start flying those operations. We've created the inspection bundle you see there. So that is the Polaris Edge module preloaded with Videosoft, the 200A Omni antenna, a year's worth of subscription to the Videosoft license, and 12 months of Viasat airtime at 500 meg a month.